My name is Sian Sykes and I live on Anglesey and I run Psyched Paddleboarding. In Wales we have got stunning coastline and wonderful marine life, but we need to do our utmost to protect it. Every customer who comes, I tell them to bring a reusable bottle on sessions and explain why. When they're on the boards and they're seeing plastic bottles floating on the water, they suddenly see it firsthand and it makes them feel sad.
My name is Robin Macefield and I own Natural Way, a zero waste shop based in Crickhowell with my wife Kerry. Zero waste is a concept of trying to reduce or ideally eliminate your waste that goes to landfill so that you're recycling everything, or even better, reusing everything. We sell things like dried foods, oils and vinegars, cleaning products, all of which are in dispensers.
I'm Sophie Ray and I am the founder of Ripple, and we are a zero waste store in Cardiff to help the city become a lot more conscious with how they consume. Customers are encouraged to bring their own containers, just eradicating hundreds and hundreds of pieces of plastic just from one family household each week.
It's all stemmed really from David Attenborough. The momentum's really picked up. It's on everybody's radar.
It's an amazing documentary and that really just brought to the consciousness. Everybody wanted to see a change.
Education has always got to be key. We have to capture the next generation to make sure that they're on board, and if it becomes the norm at a young age, that you don't generate all this waste, that you try and focus on reuse. Wales is definitely ahead of the game in a lot of aspects. In terms of recycling rates, we're still among the best in Europe, in the world indeed.
I'm really proud we were the first ones to introduce the charge on plastic carrier bags.
Many people, when I come in the shop and they talk to me, they want to see more change, they want more legislation.
We need to keep the momentum going and really inspire people to really think about making positive changes.